How to review group membership activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review group membership activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find settings. And here just go down again. Here you will find activity log. Click on it and then just go down again until you find this one here, groups, communities, events and reels. And here you will find group membership activity. Click on it and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.